What a peaceful day. Simba, where is Muffin? Wait.
He was here 5 minutes ago.
Clues. We need clues. Oh.
I smell chocolate chips.
He left a trail.
Or a snack map.
We're looking for a small, cute, sugar-powered kitten.
You mean the one at the candy shop?
I was just testing flavors.
He tested everything.
Muffin, you can't just run away like that.
At least he's alive.
I just wanted to bring you both something sweet.
Oh, Muffin.
So, no punishment?
For you, yes.
Dad, no more sugar.
Oh.
Run, Dad, run.
Every time we find Muffin, we lose the snacks.
Next time, I will just order online. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Muffin and his family.